Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to print a nozzle check pattern and how to clean the printhead on Epson L3256 model. So first we will print a nozzle check pattern to see if there is a problem with our printhead, how to print it. When the printer is off, it must be off. Press and hold the power and the stop button for about 5 seconds until we see the LEDs blinking. Then release. Now the nozzle check pattern has been printed. So now we see here our printhead is perfect. There are no missing lines, no missing dots, and so on and so on. But if you have some problems here with this printout, you must do a printhead cleaning. How to clean the printhead? When we are in a ready state, the power LED must be on and not blinking. Press and hold for about 5 seconds the stop button. Press and hold until the power button starts blinking. And now the printhead is starting the cleaning process. So that's it. Thank you very much. Good luck.